Welcome to Care of the Athletic Heart 2021. This video tutorial will show you how to navigate this year's virtual experience. You'll begin here on the landing page. You can log in using either of the two login buttons as shown. Proceed to log in using your ACC credentials associated with registration. This will take you to the home page. Here, you can watch an introductory video, view what sessions are live and upcoming, check out on-demand pre-conference sessions, and more. Explore the rest of the virtual meeting site via the navigation bar on the top of the page. Select Program to be taken to a listing of all sessions offered during Care of the Athletic Heart, including pre-conference sessions, eAbstracts, case discussions, and more. In addition to the search bar, on the left-hand side of the page, you will find a variety of filters you can use to further refine your results. For example, if you are looking for sessions on June 25th, you can apply the filters as shown. Click the heart icon next to a session to add it to your favorites, where it can be easily accessed later in the My Favorites section, shown here. Click the Watch button next to a session as shown to view the session. For eAbstracts, you can click the Watch Video or Download Abstract buttons to view the eAbstract in either video or PDF format, as shown. Select Credit Information to learn more about claiming credits for your participation in Care of the Athletic Heart. You will be able to claim credit by clicking the Claim Credit button on the right-hand side of the screen. Please note that credit claiming will not be available until the end of the meeting on June 26, 2021. Until then, this button will be grayed out as shown. Credits must be claimed by September 24, 2021. You may only complete the evaluation and claim credit once, so please do not proceed until you have finished your participation in all certified content you wish to claim credit for. The Engage tab will show you all the different ways you can connect with your colleagues in the community. Consider checking out the Sports and Exercise member section on acc.org, joining a virtual 5K run challenge, or being part of the ongoing discussions on Twitter with the ACC Athletic Heart hashtag. The virtual meeting site will be available on demand until September 24th, 2021.